Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this flush mount light that can replace a standard light in like a closet or bedroom or pretty much anywhere that you've got a light. One reason I really liked this idea is it is a flush mount, so it's going to sit perfectly flush with the ceiling. It only uses 15 watts of energy, which is great. It's a very energy efficient bulb, especially since it puts out 1200 lumens. Now this one here is going to be installed. I'm going to show you how to do it and replace just a single regular bulb that we have hanging out, which is not very attractive. And other nice features about this, again, is it does have the ability to do a motion sensor or type deal, which is great. Let's see what's in the box. We've got some mounting hardware. We have the actual light itself, all the screws and little caps and covers that all come with that. Let's go ahead and take this out, and that's actually it. So this should be a pretty simple install. As far as installs go, wiring, an instruction manual. Wiring, again, very simple 2-wire design. It's going to be your hot and your neutral line. And then it's going to simply screw into the ceiling. So I'm pretty excited about how this is going to go up. Let's give it a try. So the first step we're going to do is remove our old bulb from just this standard contractor grade fixture that's in this closet. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the existing fixture that is here by just unscrewing this to remove it from the ceiling. So now that we've got that removed, you've got two different ways you can install this. One is with this bracket, which is what I'm going to be using, that will be putting up here and attaching this on to the existing holes in this mounting box. If you do not have a mounting box, or your house is an older home, and you have some other method what you're needing to install, is it does come with some sheetrock anchors that you can drill some holes and install a couple of sheetrock anchors, and then you can actually just screw directly through that into those anchors. So what I'm going to do is use the provided screws that they have given me here and inserting those through here. I'm going to be putting those into these existing pieces here and getting those tightened down to then pin this on, and it is adjustable so you can slide it back and forth to center it up in your room. Now that we've got that bracket up here, we're going to go ahead and take the lines here and get them put together. Now on the back side of this, before we get this attached, there is a switch that allows you to do a sun or a moon. That's day and a night mode. And so if you're going to be have this out in a room that will have access to where this photo eye can see the light, if it's on the day one, it'll always be on whenever you flip a switch or do that. If it's on the night mode, then it will only be active during night and will not activate it during the day. What we're going to do is going to put this up here again and line up the holes that are provided here with those existing holes in that bracket, and then we're going to get that screwed down. And that'll just thread right in to that base plate. You just kind of want to go until that gets snug. And that'll pin that up against the ceiling. And then it does come with these little plugs here that you can use to cover those up, which gives it a nice finished look so that you don't have those exposed screw holes. So the motion sensor light is off, and whenever you do create motion or automatically come close, it will activate the motion sensor and turn on the light like this. And then ideally that is going to happen when you hit about 9 to 16 feet, and it will automatically turn off 30 seconds after motion stops. So this is going to be ideal for hallways, closet rooms, pantries, stairways, basements, pretty much anywhere that you're going to need a motion sensing light. Again, it's very bright. It's a 4000 color temperature, 1200 lumen light. It's a very nice light, and it was a very easy install.